Today, I'll walk you through how to set up DMARC, SPF, and DKIM for Cloudflare, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to secure your email domain so you can protect your brand and improve email deliverability. First, let's open your Cloudflare dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, select your domain from the list. On the left sidebar, navigate to DNS and then click on Records. This is where you'll manage all your DNS settings. Now let's set up SPF, which stands for Sender Policy Framework. SPF helps prevent spammers from sending messages on behalf of your domain. Click on Add Record. In the record details for type, select TXT. If prompted, you might see SPF as an option, but TXT is the standard choice. For name, enter the @ symbol or leave it as your root domain. In the content field, enter your provider's SPF value. For example, if you're using Google Workspace, it would be v equals SPF1 include SPF, Google.com/all. If you're using Microsoft 365, it would be v equals SPF1 include SPF protection, Outlook.com/all. For generic web hosting, you might use v equals SPF1 MXIP4, your server IP/all. Finally, keep the TTL at auto. Once you've filled that out, click Save. Next, we'll set up DKIM, which stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail. DKIM adds a digital signature to your emails, ensuring they haven't been tampered with during transit. To get your DKIM record key, check with your email provider. This could be Google Workspace Admin, Microsoft 365, cPanel, or Mailchimp. They will provide you with a selector name like Google, DMARC, and a value. Back in Cloudflare, click Add Record again. For type, select TXT or CNAME depending on what your email provider specifies. For name, enter the selector provided by your email host, such as Google DMARC. In the content field, paste the long string key provided by your email host, which will look something like v equals DKIM1, k equals RSA, p equals mygfma. Once that's done, click Save. Finally, let's set up DMARC, which stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication. DMARC helps you protect your domain from unauthorized use. Click Add Record under DNS and then Records. For type, select TXT or DMARC. For name, enter DMARC. In the content field, enter your policy string. If you want to monitor your domain without strict enforcement, use v equals DMARC1, p equals none, RUA equals mailto, DMARC reports at your domain.com. If you want strict enforcement, use v equals DMARC1, p equals reject, RUA equals mailto, DMARC reports at your domain.com. After entering your policy, click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully set up DMARC, SPF, and DKIM for your Cloudflare domain. This will greatly enhance your email security and deliverability. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.